DIY septic installation for a tiny house can save money up front but creates significant long-term risk if done without proper permits and technical oversight. When considering a do-it-yourself septic system for a tiny house, start by checking local codes and permit requirements because setbacks, soil percolation, and tank sizing are regulated and will determine feasibility. Obtain a certified percolation test or engineer soil report so you size the drain field and tank correctly. Undersizing leads to failure and expensive repairs. If you choose do-it-yourself work, limit tasks to non-technical elements such as site clearing, simple excavation for tank placement, and hauling materials while keeping all work documented for inspectors. For all critical elements including system design, final grade and slope calculations, tank inlet and outlet elevations, and connection to the house waste lines, consult a licensed contractor or professional engineer to prepare plans and sign off for permits. Follow manufacturer installation instructions verbatim for tanks, distribution boxes, pumps, and any dosing systems because warranties and system performance depend on correct component installation. Attend every municipal inspection in person, bring documentation and test results, and correct any noted deficiencies promptly to avoid permit rejection and legal liabilities. Common mistakes include assuming a small house needs a very small tank, which causes frequent backups and rapid drain field failure. The fix is to use professional sizing based on actual occupancy and peak flow estimates. Another frequent issue is improper slope and pipe elevation between the house and tank, which creates siphoning or clogging. Mitigate this by having a licensed pro set key elevations and verify them during installation. A third mistake is skipping permit inspections or not following manufacturer instructions, which often voids warranty and may require costly rework. The remedy is to document every step, attend inspections, and secure written warranties and installation records. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like septic systems, so we help tiny house owners find local pros and get practical advice. We also support contractors looking for work and host an active discussion community where members share experiences, tips, and photos from real installations.